Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are all about making your living room super cozy and stylish. A well-designed living room is not just about looks, it's about creating a warm and welcoming vibe. Think of your living room as the heart of your home, the place where friends and family gather to relax and share good time. A thoughtful design can make it even more inviting. So, whether you are into vibrant colors or a more natural patterns, we have got simple tips to help. Stay tuned for easy to follow ideas that will turn your living room into a space everyone will love. Let's get started on this exciting design journey together. Colors play a big role in how we feel in our room. They affect our mood and the overall vibe. Imagine walking into a room painted in claiming blue or greens. It instantly makes you feel relaxed. So for a cozy living room, start with natural colors like pink or gray as your base. Then add it pops of color with things like colorful cushions or vibrant artworks. The cool part is if you ever get tired of the colors, you don't have to repaint the whole room. You can easily switch out the cushions or artwork for something new. It is a simple way to keep your living space fresh and exciting without a major makeover. In making your living room awesome, it's super important to set up your furniture right. Think about all the things you do in your living room, watching TV, chatting with friends, maybe even playing games. So arrange your furniture to fit those activities. Make cozy spot for talking and keep paths open so it is easy to move around. Now here is a cool trick. Use furniture that can do more than one job, like a coffee table that also stores stuff or a sofa that turn into a bed. This way you get more out of your space. So when you are planning your layout, think about what you love to do in your living room. Arrange things for those activities and pick furniture that is not just comfy but also really clever. Let's brighten up your living space with simple tricks. Natural light is like a mood booster, making your room feel cheerful and happy. Open those curtains to let these sun shines in free and full of positive vibe. Next up, meet your new green friends, indoor plants. They not only look cool but also bring nature indoors, making your space feel fresh and alive. Plus, they are super easy to take care of. Now let's talk mirrors. These are not just for checking your reflection. They are light wizard place mirror where they can catch and bounce sunlight around, instantly doubling the brightness. Let's make your living room uniquely yours. Add a personal touch with wall decor that reflects your personality. Choose removable wallpaper or decals. They are like stickers you can easily change whenever you want a new look. Think of it as giving your walls a makeover without a big commitments. Create a gallery wall by putting up your favorite photos and artworks. It is like a telling your story through pictures. This way your living room becomes a canvas of your memories and interest. So let your creativity shine and make your space feel truly special. Don't be afraid to mix and match. It is all about making your living room a reflection of you. Let's suppress up your living room without burning a hole in your pocket. First, get creative with DIY project. Consider revamping old furniture, A coat of paint or new handle can work wonder. Adding a homemade rug is a budget-friendly way to bring warmth and style. The key is to showcase that you don't need a big budget to have a chic living space. Emphasize that simplicity can be elegant by repurposing and adding personal touch. You create a unique vibe, so roll up your sleeves, explore your aesthetic side, and transform your living room into a cozy haven without breaking the bank. In the video, we will explore simple way to upgrade your living room, learn how a well-chosen color pattern can transform your space, discover the secret of arranging furniture for both comfort and style, find out how natural light and a touch of greenery can brighten up your living area, personalize your wall with easy and affordable decor ideas. Plus, we have got budget-friendly DIY project to add a unique touch. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical and home decoration tips. Let's make your living room your favorite place.